Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the Google Play Store on your iPhone. No jailbreak or computer is needed for this video. So as you can see guys, let me just type it in right here. We have the fully working Play Store. We're going to open it up and you guys will see that it actually does work. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your phone. It's super cool as you can see. So let's get right into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. It's super awesome. So as you can see guys, we have all these games in here. So I don't really know who is not taking advantage of this, but I'm going to show you guys how to download it anyway. So the first step is to go onto this website, which is called ZooMods, and it has a bunch of mods for apps and games. So once you're on the website, you're going to see Google Play Mod, and you just want to press on it. You can also search it up if you can't find it. But anyways, you just want to wait for it to download, and then you should be all good to go. So as you can see, it is downloading right here. So be sure to try it out for yourself. It's super crazy. It actually works, guys. And yeah, I mean, I'm a pretty big Android guy, so when I found out there was a way to get the Play Store on my iPhone, I had to give it a try. So be sure to try it out for yourself. We'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. As you can see, this is updated and everything, which is pretty cool. So I'll see you guys later. I hope you enjoyed. But yeah, I'm not broke, so I can get the Play Store. So if this video works to you guys, definitely go ahead and share it, and remember, all you gotta do is just go to ZooMods. You're gonna be all good to go. So yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe. This is super cool. As you can see, oh my gosh, look at that. So yeah, this is the website where you can download the Play Store on your iOS device. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So try it out today, get the word out. See you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, guys, as you can see. So I will see you later, and peace out.